Good morning, 8th graders. Today we're going to talk about 3 different kinds of pronouns. First set is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used and found in sentences more than any other kind of pronoun. Personal pronouns are known by their person, number, gender, and case. Person. First person is the one speaking. I, me, us, our, etc. I just realized I did not put second and third person on here, and I apologize, so just listen up. Second person is the person being spoken to. You, okay, and it's singular or plural, it's just you, always, okay? And then third person is the person, someone else being spoken about, not the person speaking, not the person being spoken to, but someone else being spoken about as third person, such as him, her, he, she, okay? They, them, all right? Okay, number. For number in personal pronouns, we have either singular or plural. Singular examples would be I and me, and plural examples would be we, us, etc. Okay, they would be another example. All right, next slide, please. Gender. Let's make one thing very, very clear. Biologically and from God's point of view, there are only 2 genders, masculine and feminine. If you have an XY chromosome, you are masculine, and if you have XX chromosomes, you are feminine. Guys and girls, okay? Masculine pronouns are he, his, and him. Feminine pronouns are she, her, and hers. And then the other category of gender we would have would be neuter, which is neutral, which is no gender. This does not ever work for people. It only works for things, okay? It is used for inanimate objects such as rocks and hills and desks and bottles of water, etc., okay? It is neuter and shows no gender. Also, often we use it when we're talking about animals, unless there's something else in the sentence that shows us that the animal is male or female. If there is nothing in the connotation of the sentence that tells us male or female for the animal, we just use the word it to refer to an animal. All right, next slide, please. Last thing about personal pronouns is there are 3 cases of personal pronouns. One case is subjective, and subjective case is used for subjects and for predicate nouns, okay? The subjective case pronouns are I, we, he, she, it, you, and they. Then we have objective pronouns. Objective case pronouns are used for objects, such as objects of preposition, direct objects, and indirect objects. Examples of objective case pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. And then finally on the cases, possessive case pronouns. Possessive case is used to show ownership, to show that something belongs to someone or something, okay? Just remember, with possessive case pronouns, they are possessive by identity, meaning they do not need an apostrophe to show ownership. Nouns need apostrophe to show ownership, but possessive case pronouns do not. If you write the word it apostrophe s, you're not showing ownership or possession. You're using the contraction for it is, okay? So possessive case pronouns, again, never need an apostrophe. They do show ownership. Examples are my, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, our, ours, and their, theirs. Final slide, please. Two other types of pronouns that you will see today and you will use today are in the next section, and you will do the exercise with these pronouns. The exercise is 4.5 on page 84, okay? We have demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point out something. This or that are singular, and the words these and those are plural. They all point out something. Note that all demonstrative pronouns, all four of them, start with the letter T. Final category of pronouns for today is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns ask questions. Examples and all of the interrogative pronouns are as follows: who, whom, whose, which, and what. Please note that all interrogative pronouns, which do ask questions, start with the letter W. Message me on LMS with any questions. I think this lesson is pretty straightforward and easy. Have a blessed day.